So for a very long time, I was struggling with hair loss, especially when I braid my hair and I unbraid. Okay, normally when it's cornrow or rasta, I realized that I lose my hair at the front side of my head. Okay, this part, especially around this part of the hair, goes off during the time I'm unbraiding. Okay, so I discovered this remedy which has really helped me, and now see, all this has grown. It's just 2 weeks after I started using it, and look, it has grown. So I decided to share this remedy with you. I did the hairspray which uses rosemary leaves. Okay, I use hibiscus and then cloves. Okay, these three I cooked them for some time. And then I strain it and then use it as hairspray. Okay, see, this works. Okay, I also came about with the hair oil. I have lots of hair oils here. I did them by myself at home, and that's what I've been using. That's what I've been using since. I don't buy any hair oil anywhere. Okay, and I use this, and this works for me. Okay, this works for me, trust me. Okay, this is suitable for everyone, even babies can use it. All right, so today's video I'll be teaching you how I did my hairspray, which I used on my hair to make my hair, the roots of my hair, grow stronger. I was also battling with dandruff. Okay, I was battling with dandruff. It wasn't easy at all, but as you can see, the dandruff is gone. I'm free. I don't have issue with dandruff again, and I'm so grateful that I came by this recipe. And this is going to also help you if you try this out. So do not go anywhere. Stay with me, because I'll be teaching you with details how you can make your hairspray. And maybe in my next video, I'll teach how you can make your hair oil, either for business or use it at home. Okay, so let's dive straight into making this. So as I said earlier, all I'll be needing here is my cloves, my rosemary leaves, and my hibiscus. Okay, rosemary leaves, you can either have the dry or the fresh ones. Okay, either ways they all work. Okay, so I'll just add little of my cloves, because I'm not making this in a large quantity, just small quantity. So we have our cloves, and then we add our hibiscus. Okay, as for the hibiscus, you can have one full. Okay, and then we add our rosemary. Rosemary is very good for the hair, very good for the hair. So let's add our rosemary. Okay, I think it's enough. And then the next thing we add is water. Okay, it's water. We add water, and we are going to set this on fire for, let's say, 3 minutes. Okay, when it starts boiling for like 3 minutes or maximum 5 minutes, we turn off the heat. Okay, so let me set this on fire. So this is on fire. Do not let the heat be too high. Lower your heat, okay, so that it can boil well and infuse all the nutrients into the water. Okay, so this is how it looks at the moment. When it starts boiling, it's going to turn red because of the hibiscus in it. Okay, it's going to turn, or not red, wine, because of the hibiscus in it. Okay, you can also do this without the hibiscus. That's if you do not want any color in your spray. But then hibiscus also has a very great nutrient for the hair, so it's advisable to add to your rosemary and then add cloves to it. These three together is going to give you massive results. Okay, you are going to have massive results when you use these three ingredients together. So let's wait for this to boil, and then whilst this boils, I'll give you the nutrients or the importance you get from each of the ingredients I'm using. So do not go anywhere. Stick with me as I teach you the ingredients and its benefits to the hair. So as you can see, it's turning wine wine because of the hibiscus. But this works, okay? So allow it to boil for like 5 minutes and then you strain the water, okay? So it's ready. It's ready, and I have my bottle here. This is hair oil bottle I used and it's done, so I can just use it as my spray bottle. Okay. So you are going to strain this. Have your strainer and then your funnel. Put this into this. Okay, we're going to use the funnel. We're going to use the funnel again. So you must allow it to cool first before you pour it. If it's a bottle, like a glass bottle, fine, but this is a plastic bottle, it may melt, okay? So we allow this to cool and then we can transfer it into our bottle and then spray anytime we want to, okay? Spray it on your hair. Maybe you don't need to wash it off, okay? Once you spray, let it be in your hair, let it work. You can repeat this process every day or every 2 days. Let it be in your hair. Then once a while you wash your hair, okay? This is going to work. It has worked for me. That is why I'm thinking of sharing with you, okay? This remedy works, okay? And as I said earlier, I also have the oils here, okay? The oils I've been using. You can do this and sell because it has all the nutrients needed for hair growth, okay? The oil I've been using. So allow this to cool and restrain. So as it has cooled down, you're going to strain into a bottle. Okay. Okay, this is enough. And just fix your tube in. And your hairspray is ready. Okay, the hairspray is ready. See, let me do this for you to see. This is how we apply it, okay? Just divide your hair into sections. I do not have my comb here. Okay, divide your hair into sections. You can use your hand, or this takes care of dandruff, lost hair. It makes your hair thick. Okay, as you can see, my hair is thick now. It's not light at all. It's very thick. I even have to go to the salon to perm it again. It's very thick. Very thick. I lost my hair at the back too. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. My hair is very thick now. And for you to have a very strong and healthy hair, you need this. Okay. This, you just spray it into your hair. Okay. Just spray. Okay. Okay. Your hair is not going to turn red, This is just liquid. Okay, not going to turn red at all. When you do this, no one is going to know that you've applied anything in your hair. Not turn red at all. See? You have comb, divide your hair into sections, and my hair, as you can see, is very thick now. It was very light, now it's thick. I'm grateful for this remedy. That is what I've been using for a very long time. And in the beginning of 2023, I cut all my hair because of the hair loss. I was struggling with so much hair loss. Okay, I was struggling to grow my hair, so I cut everything. And sometimes the shampoos the hairdressers use is not helpful to some of the type of hair we have. Okay, so I ended up cutting everything and I started afresh. I started everything, and then now I'm okay. This has really been helpful to me. Okay, sometimes your hair itches. If your hair itches, it's because of the dandruff you have in your hair. Okay, so when you apply this is going to help treat the dandruff you have in your hair. So I hope you find this video helpful. Try this and let me know how it worked for you, and I'll see you again in my next video. So thank you very much for passing through. As always, subscribe, like, comment, share to as many as you can. Okay, so a lot of people will get to see this video and then benefit from it. As you can see, this hair is shorter because like there was no hair. There was literally no hair, but now see. And I'm so grateful. Because of that, I couldn't braid my hair, because if you braid, there's no hair here to hold to braid. So then I left my hair and I've treated it for this while, and everything is coming back to normal. I'm so grateful, so happy that this has been helpful. Okay. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and see you next time in my next video. Bye.